Thank you. Good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Christina Siffler, Alan Mizrahi, and Steve Siegel on behalf of the state. We're here on Shanna Gardner, number 9 on the court's calendar, and Mario Fernandez, number 4 on the court's calendar.
Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
My name is Jesse Dreiser. I represent Mr. Fernandez, who's present and sitting at council table, along with Ms. Day, Mr. Hill, and Frank Tassoni, who is appearing via Zoom.
All right. Thank you. Good morning.
And Your Honor, for the record, next of kin is present via Zoom as well.
All right. Thank you.
Good morning, Your Honor. Patrick Rody for Shanna Gardner, who's present for the court. Also, Ms. Nelson and Ms. Medina, counsel, are on Zoom.
All right. Thank you. Good morning.
And Your Honor, since our last...
Wait. Ms. Nelson, can you hear us? Ms. Nelson.
Good morning. I
Okay.
apologize. We're unable to hear the proceedings.
Okay. Can you hear me now? It's Mike, can you come up?
Your Honor, I think it may be on her end because we can hear.
Okay.
I'm going to ask Frank if he can hear us.
Mr. Tassoni?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Frank can hear us.
Mr. Carodi, can you message Ms. Nelson and say that she needs to look at her device? Everyone else can hear.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Medina, can you hear?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I can.
Okay.
Your Honor, we can proceed.
Okay.
Brief.
All right. So I know that I owe an order on the wiretap, and I just want to clarify. I did deny it, but I just need time to edit. I was in first appearance. I've been in trial. So
That's fine, Your Honor. For the court's information, since our last court date, we have taken a number of depositions. We have depositions, the last remaining ones set for this afternoon. We have depositions for next Friday, the 17th, for Ms. Gardner's listed witnesses. And I think that should conclude the discovery depositions, absent maybe 1 or 2 remaining witnesses.
okay. Does the defense agree?
I think within small numbers or entirely, yes. Meaning there could be a couple that I'm just not thinking of, but we are nearing the end, and it may be that we're done.
Okay. So from Mr. Fernandez, his legal team's perspective, is there anything that we need to do? I indicated that I'm going to go upstairs with the lawyers for logistic purposes, so that I can have, I can answer any questions and also like kind of get an idea of, you know, what you all will need in order to try the case. So
The only thing that I would ask is out of abundance of caution that if the state and I cannot come to an agreement regarding this afternoon's deposition, that we get some hearing time on Monday or a to-be set, whatever the court's preference is.
I'm going to do it on Monday. I do have 2 jury selections, but I believe one of my colleagues is going to select for the second one. And so I'm going to move my jury selection to 1:30. And then my thought is I can handle these motions that relate mainly to discovery earlier rather than later. So I would handle them at 11 a.m.
All right, so you want defense counsel here at 11?
Correct.
Yes, ma'am. We'll be here. So this upcoming Monday at 11.
Right.
And with
July
that-
13th at 11 a.m. hearing on motion.
And if this gets resolved, if we could just email your judicial assistant, and then you could just give us another pass date that you see fit. I do think there's at least a 50-50 shot that we resolve this by tomorrow.
Okay. If you don't need the time, that's fine. I do want to have a final pretrial. I did not set that initially. I'm a little bit hesitant to do it the week before like I normally do. Do you want 2 weeks before, like the 27th?
Yes.
Yes, and then whatever,
And this is for Mr. Fernandez's case. So his final pretrial will be held July 27th.
and what are you thinking in terms of motions in limine? In terms of like time in between those 2 weeks? I know there's a deadline set because I saw it on my calendar for when they're due, but when were you thinking we would actually hear them?
So you all take priority over anything. That's what the priority order is. So if you need me to handle them, you just let me know and you advance on my calendar. So I'm depending on the parties because you all know the substance of the motions to kind of let me know how much time you need. All you have to do is let me know that and I will advance you on my calendar.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll get with Mr. Dreiser and see what they're going to file, what we're going to file, what we agree upon, and what needs court time.
Right.
Okay, so if you need the time, I'll give you the time. You don't even, all you have to do is ask and I will.
Understood, thank you.
Okay, but just to be clear, so Mr. Fernandez's case will be passed to July 13th, and it's, let's do it in, do you know, is, Ms. Janako, is 407 available
It should be, yes.
next week?
On the 13th.
Yes, so we'll set it in 407 for hearing time.